About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it
first Simplify Self-Care video? Welcome, and consider checking out this video where I go into detailed instructions plus one tip you can do daily that will exponentially improve your results from this routine. This is Your Year for Self-Care is also a great place for an overview of how simple self-care produces exponential benefits for you, helping to set your body up to achieve your goal, whatever that body goal is. I'm happy you're here. I hope you stick around, join our community, and even start from the beginning. And for that, I've arranged that every single video can come to you dripped in its order at the pace intended by subscribing at simplifyselfcare.com. My goal is to help you achieve your goal. Have a phenomenal